Welcome to shop early Black Friday Great Northern Popcorn 405344HLF Countertop Style Popcorn Machine, 8 ounces, black. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Short features highlight are include. The theater-style popcorn maker includes an 8 ounces stainless steel kettle that makes about 3 gallons of popcorn. A heated deck to keep this delicious snack fresh, and an old maid's drawer that collects the reject kernels for easy cleanup. The Good Time style popcorn maker has an attractive design aimed to capture the nostalgic vintage charm of antique machines. It brings both the feeling and the smell of the movie theater right to your home or event. This tabletop popcorn maker is sure to fit on any countertop in your home or business. The 850 watts machine makes serving yummy popcorn in the break room, at a birthday party, or sporting events easier than ever. Built with stainless steel and tempered glass food zones, this machine makes popping popcorn fast and simple. The 3-switch design allows you to use the kettle heater and stirrer, overhead light, and warming deck independently of each other. If you want to get full features and full details of Great Northern Popcorn 601899 FKH Matinee Popcorn Machine with car, please visit the link in YouTube description. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.